Okay, we are here in Nokia stand in WIMA Monaco with Mr. Selby from Nokia. I asked him to introduce himself before.
Mark Selby, Industry Collaborations Vice President, Nokia.
So, my first question is, which is the Nokia position on NFC? Because you started with the first mobile phone. Now there is a period that probably someone else from East makes some phone, and now Nokia is going with a new phone. It's real? You could disclose this to us or not?
Absolutely. We were the first to bring product to market with our phones. We have brought several NFC phones to market already.
Yeah.
And our announcement today is that for the Nokia C7, using the new Symbian ANA software, which is available, that unleashes the NFC capability on this device, which means that all new C7s will have NFC on them, and everyone that already has a C7 can update their software and they will have NFC available.
We have some other question now, very tricky, so you can answer or not. So, which is the position for NFC about the operating system? You will support Windows Mobile, Symbian, both, or just one for first and then the other for next, or everybody? Or?
At the moment here today we are only discussing the Symbian platform, and as I say, we have made this announcement, and there are more announcements coming.
Okay. We will wait, of course.
Indeed.
Nice answers. And about because there is several ways to look the NFC. There is secure element that could be on the SIM, outside the SIM, on a micro SD. Of course, a micro SD is thing that does not relate with the handset. But about the first question, what do you think? The C7 support both secure element in SIM outside, just in SIM, which would be?
I think we've got to be clear here. One of the things that we are announcing today and making clear is the result of our analysis, which shows that with NFC, there are two main streams of NFC.
Of course. Open
NFC and secure NFC, where the secure requires a secure element on the device.
Yes.
Where? Exactly, it can be in many places. But the important point is that our analysis has shown that the industry has been focusing exclusively on that secure component.
Of course.
And actually, the analysis is now showing that the value to everyone on the open side is much bigger.
Of course.
This means that developers, companies that wish to introduce NFC services can do this very quickly without waiting for an infrastructure to be put in place.
Yes.
And we have seen examples of this in our industry before.
Yep.
This means that developers, companies, brands, service providers can start making money with NFC by giving value to consumers now. The C7 enables it.
Yes, because we saw C7, we have a lot of demo that we saw here, gaming, pairing, that does not require a security just to pair an handset or to play a virtual game in two people that just tag each other phone. So they don't require a security. So do you think that some application could coexist in the phone? So a secure application and a non-secure application in C7?
With regard to the C7, we have not put a secure element in this device. However, there are a number of applications that people believed required secure elements.
Payment and like this, or
many of the applications that people are looking at do not require secure element. So we're actually going to have a lot of those applications using open now. And in terms of those services, consider the value to people of being able to connect to each other on Facebook.
Of course.
To use Groupon, to use Foursquare, to use Yelp. There are all of these services available now. With NFC enabled, they can do so much more. And the value to everyone is going to come through these open services. The secure ones will come as well.
Okay.
But it's worth considering that in the mobile payments market today, the vast majority of this, using services like M-Pesa or Nokia Money or other services available, none of them use a secure element.
Because M-Pesa is over SMS. at the end at the end of the day.
Exactly.
So now there is no secure element in this device, and there is a plan to introduce it or not, or there is already a secure element.
In this device, we are not using a secure element. We have already said that there will be announcements coming soon of other devices, and we support secure. We will support secure as well as open. The point we want to make today is open is bigger. We actually believe that in terms of market value, the open market will account for approximately 68% of value in 2013.
I agree with you. The open, it's bigger, and there is a lot of application developer that does not mind about security, that they would like to use NFC. So the question is now, soon you will announce something on secure, but now any application developer could develop using NFC with this device.
The important thing is, in the future, there will always be wonderful devices coming from everyone.
Yes.
The important thing is, if anyone is serious about NFC, get started now.
Yeah. Just a last question about mobile payment and mobile transportation, ticketing, acquiring, because I saw the whole presentation in Finland, but also in other places of the world, that you support is with the other devices, not this one, this new one. They can use in mobile ticketing soon this device, or you have a plan for another device to have a, which is, if you can,
certainly. The interesting thing that people need to understand is that it is not down to just the device. There is the infrastructure that needs to be put in place. So just to give you an example, many of the large retail chains need to change their point of sale tills. The cycle for doing that takes 5 years. 5 years. In many transit authorities, the time taken to change all of the turnstiles, all of the back-end systems, all of the payment systems,
10 years probably.
10 to 15 years.
15 years.
So, if you say to me, can everyone start using public transport now, immediately with NFC? The answer is no, because of the time for that infrastructure. Does that mean that some will go quickly? Yes.
Yeah, because of course in London, in Paris, there is already turnstile that could read contactless cards, so probably you can...
And we have already done very successful trials. We did a very successful trial with Transport for London, in London, and we have done them elsewhere. So we have a lot of experience, and what we're sharing today with everyone are the results of our analysis, the results of our findings, and really to ensure that everyone understands there is money to be made, there is value to be given to consumers today.
So is it clear that you will support gaming developer and any kind of developer in open platform, in open way, but you will support also as a Nokia with this device or other device, transportation or payment, or just waiting?
No. We are working with parties all over the world who are looking at NFC deployments.
With this device or another device that we'll announce soon, or the device that you already have?
With this device and with the devices we already have.
Okay. Because I saw a rumors, I don't know if it's true or not, that probably in the next quarters, Nokia will support NFC in almost any device. Could be true or not?
It is extraordinary how these rumors circulate.
We have this
Everyone loves rumors. I'm not talking about rumors.
Of course. Thank you, Selby, Mr. Selby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.